Serie A breakout with 4 goal/4 assist in 24 apps. Francesco Pio Esposito storms Inter. Castellamare kid to Italy senior but bench shadow. Firecracker or lone limbo. Born June 28, 2005. Castellamare di Stabia, Napoli coast. Pio started local before Napoli Academy age 11. Moved Inter 2023. Traits: 1.89 meters aerial tank. Clinical poacher. Family-fueled hustler. Striker. Complete No.9. Hold up. Pace blend. 25-26 Serie A. 4 goal. 4 assist 835 minutes. 6.77 AVG. Career 130 apps. 41 goal. U19 Euros winner. Uniqueness? Youngest Serie B debut Spezia loan. Italy caps. Post Spezia loan 17 goal Inter hype unmet. Sub-role. UCL bench gripes amid Thuram block. Loan rumors question senior readiness. Stats shine Serie A striker top assists. Edges Retegui. Faces Scamacca comp but killer instinct wins Inter starter. Italy 2026 spearhead. Glory guaranteed. Francesco Pio Esposito. Italy's goal inferno erupts. Like for Nerazzurri. Comment No.9 claim. Subs. Cribe for Italians. Share the storm.